I was gonna get him. Come on.
Okay. Look
Come
at
on, let's go get your
Keaton.
toy.
Keaton, Noah.
Come on. And Sarah's great.
I ordered some half and halves. Oh, I'm talking. Yes. Yes. Go ahead.
Come on, let's go get your toy.
You don't want to, huh? Oh, I got Jill's best side. I got her rear.
Right? Here we go. Say, here I come, Rainy. You better back up on me fast. Go get her.
There's the baby. Fix it, Joe. The Freddy's gonna hit that. Yay,
You want to
Keaton.
run away? Go get her. Dance, dance.
Say, what's all this applause for?
Yeah, you did good, huh? Now you're gonna go get Grady. You better get Grady, right? Grady.